In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce Consumer Key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your WordPress dashboard and which options to choose so you can confidently generate a secure API credential for your store integrations. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. We'll work inside the WooCommerce settings, so make sure WooCommerce is already installed and active and that you're using an administrator account. Admin access is important because API credentials affect how external apps can read or update your store. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click WooCommerce. This opens the central hub for your store settings. From there, click Settings. You'll land on the main configuration screen where tabs run across the top. Click the Advanced tab. This is where WooCommerce keeps developer-focused options and connection tools. Within the Advanced area, find and click REST API. The REST API is how outside services securely communicate with your store, and the consumer key you're about to create acts like a secure ID for that communication. Next, click Create an API key. This opens a form that defines how the key will behave. You'll see three important fields: description, user, and permissions. In the description box, type a short, clear label for the key, such as what app or integration will use it. Keeping descriptions specific helps you recognize keys later and manage them cleanly. For user, choose the WordPress user account that the key will act on behalf of. Typically, this is an administrator or a dedicated integration account with the exact capabilities you intend to allow. Finally, choose the permission level. Red gives access to view data only, write allows changes, and read by write does both. If you're unsure, start with the least access the integration requires. You can always create a new key with broader permissions if needed. Once your description, user, and permissions are set, click Generate API Key. WooCommerce will create a consumer key and a matching secret. These two credentials together authenticate the integration. Treat them like passwords. Keep them secure and do not share them publicly. If an integration ever needs to be disconnected, you can return to this same REST API area and revoke or delete the key. That's it. You've opened WooCommerce, navigated to Settings, Advanced, REST API, created a new key, set its description, user, and permission level, and generated your WooCommerce consumer key for use with your trusted integrations.